Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Apollo IO account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you delete or remove an email address from your Apollo IO? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove one of your email addresses from Apollo IO? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sending out lots of emails, you know that sometimes the email inbox will run into delivery issues. So maybe you want to go ahead and just remove it from your Apollo IO. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Apollo IO dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Apollo IO and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove one of your email inboxes, click right here on emails. Once you do that, you want to click on this button here on the top right, manage mailboxes. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the linked mailboxes you have. You can see I just have this one. However, in order to remove this email box, you're going to click on these three dots here to the right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click here, Unlink Mailbox. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this warning saying that it's going to cancel all emails and then also stop syncing with that email box. If you're okay with that, click here, Unlink Mailbox. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the email mailbox that I had set up has now been removed. So if I want to send from emails in that mailbox, I will need to link it once again right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove an email mailbox inside of your Apollo IO, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.